Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to log into your Hitachi Finance on your Windows PC or laptop. Hitachi, also known as Novuna, so in this video we will address Hitachi as Novuna. And make sure that you have created the Novuna Finance account in the advance. Now, firstly, go to your preferred search engine of your device and in the search bar type Hitachi or Novuna Finance login and hit search. Then you will see multiple sites. Look for the one that says Manage Your Account of Novuna Personal Finance site. Then this will take you to official login page of Novuna Finance. Once the page loads, you will need to accept all the cookies. Next, you will see the option of login on the top right corner of the page and click on it. Similarly, on the next page, you can see login and register option. If you want to register your Novuna account, click on register. To log in your existing account, click on login. And now, simply enter your mail ID that you have used to create your account and your account password. And after you inserted all the information, press next. And there it is. That's how you log into your Novuna Finance account. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.